Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to use AI for affiliate marketing and make money with it. So let's get started. So here we are in ClickBank right here. So we are currently in clickbank.com and we'll be using this platform as our means of selling our product right here. So we'll be getting products from ClickBank. But if you don't want to use ClickBank, then you can use other platforms like Digistore24 or maybe Impact or whatsoever. But in this tutorial, we'll just be using ClickBank because you can use this same procedure or methods anyway in any platform that you would like to use. So right here in ClickBank. So the next thing is that we're going to go into cbengine.com. So this is basically a ClickBank engine right here. So this is where we would be spotting or selecting our products right here that we will be selling from ClickBank. So if you're using other platforms, then I suggest that you find other engines such as this one right here, wherein you can find the new products right here. So we will be using the new products filter right here at the left side. You will be clicking on that. And then we would be redirected right here. We can see all the new products that is listed in the ClickBank marketplace right here. As you can see, we have 9 new affiliate products. So what you want to do from here is that you want to sort it by gravity, because the reason for this is that most of the beginners are using or selling products that are very popular and very populated, the bestseller products, but those are not the best products that you should be selling when you are a beginner, because there is a lot of competition and you might not get a sale because of that. So what you want to do is select or choose products that is new, and you want to make sure that it's a good product so that you would be able to sell it because you have less competition and so on right here. So now once you're here, what you want to do once you have sorted by gravity is that you want to choose from the top right here. So in this case, I'll just go with this one right here at the top. So I'm gonna open it in a new tab, or you can just click on it. And remember that you can always choose other products if you feel like this one is better and so on. I'm just giving you an objective right here or pointers on which one you can get. So let's say you would want this one at the top. So you want to go and click on that, or you can open it in a new tab just like so, and then we have it right here. And then you can visit the website if you want to and so on. And of course here you can get the affiliate link right here, so you can create a hop link and so on right here. So this is basically how you can do that right here, and you can search for it here in ClickBank. And then the next thing is that you might want to go into Google, and then you would want to copy the name of that right here, and then from here you can go and paste it and see which is your competition right here. So if you can see some articles that is promoting the product that you are trying to promote, then you can go and read it and see on how well they do, or what are other inspiration that you can get from them. So in that way you can make it better and you can get ahead of your competition. So this is also a really great tip right here. Alright, so now that we are done with that step, you now know what product to sell. Then now we can proceed to the next step, which is marketing our product and selling them to people so that we will receive a commission. So right here we are in video.ai because we'll be making a video using this platform or AI compared to creating articles, which is much harder for our customers to digest because they would need to read it all at once. And with video, it is very easy for them to understand our product, its features, and its great functions that we have to offer them. And also you can just post this into big social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and so on. So this would be better, video would be better. But if you want to go and make an article, then you can just do that. But in my opinion, video would always be better than that. So right here in video.ai, what's neat about this one is that it has a text to video feature. So all you have to do is provide a text. You can just go into ChatGPT, and then from here you can just ask ChatGPT to make me a script for marketing video about, then you want to paste your product title. So our product title was get a raise in 27 days. So you want to do that and click on send. And now ChatGPT would be making this script right here, and all you have to do is basically just copy it and then paste it into InVideo.ai, and then they would be making that video for you. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and wait for it to be finished, and then you have a video to post in the social media platform. So that is just basic marketing. And then you also have other options aside from InVideo.ai, which are Flicky. So you can go to Flicky right here. You can also use this one, AI video generator. So you can start for free. And also in InVideo, you also have a free trial right here. So you can use this for free and see which one you would like. Alright, so now it's time for step 3, and this is the easiest step because this is where you would build or set up your account for your social media platforms like in YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and what we have here is Kittl.com. So this is basically where you can create some designs for your profile, for your banner, or whatsoever. So I recommend that you use Kittl because this is very easy and it's highly customizable right here, as you can see right here. But you can also use other platforms like Canva, but personally I recommend Kittl right here because you have your free trial and it's very easy, and they have some really unique designs available for you with their AI. And yeah, this is basically it, and all that's left for you once you have your videos created is to post it on social media with your social media platform accounts. And then yeah, that is basically it for step 3, just basically uploading and building your own social media platforms. But I can't give you specific example of that because it would depend on which platform you're going to use, and they would require different methods or setups right there. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.